is upsetting me and my homegirl because we feel like, well, damn, if you can't eat a piece of chicken, what the hell can you eat?
How you living?
Welcome back. Today I'm just gonna go into really quick what I eat in a day, vegan edition. The foods that I eat are pretty simple, so don't expect anything crazy. I just wanna mention beforehand a few things that sometimes get lost in translation. Vegan food does not equal healthy food. Like, just because it's vegan does not mean that it's automatically good for you. There are some vegan things that are horrible. So I just want to throw that on the plate before I get into what I eat, and then someone comments saying, well, that's not healthy. Girl, I never said it was. It's just vegan. And then secondly, I want to just say that plant-based does not equal vegan. Sometimes there's confusion, but a plant-based diet is just like it sounds, based on plants. Sometimes people will add things like protein that are not vegan, like eggs or fish, but then the vegan community comes after them. So I just feel like there should be some clarification in that. Plant-based does not equal vegan. And you can't get mad at people for saying they're plant-based because there's a difference. So just keep that in mind. And, that's it. I'm gonna show you how I make my food and eat it. I'm not gonna eat it on camera because I'm not into that whole mukbang lifestyle, but I will eat it off camera. But I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. So let's do that. So usually in the morning I have a smoothie. Today's smoothie was avocado, peaches, and blueberries. So I just threw that into my cup, and then from there I added some oat milk. I am new to the oat milk life, but I love it. It's so good, so tasty, and honestly better than regular milk in my opinion. If you're wondering why I'm laughing, it's because my fiance was on FaceTime with me and completely making fun of my fake YouTube voice, as he calls it. Next, I went in with some hemp protein, just a little bit of that, and then turmeric. I really enjoy turmeric. It's pretty tasteless, but it has such great benefits. So try to throw some of that in if you can. And then, of course, with turmeric, you need some black pepper to activate it. Then chia seeds, of course. And last but not least, agave, just to sweeten it up a little bit. My blender really sucks, and the smoothie was just a little too thick, so I had to go in and, of course, add a little more oat milk. So there was nothing wrong with that. And then I just blended it again. So, of course, a major step in my day-to-day vegan eating is making sure that the presentation is perfect. So here you see me emptying my smoothie into my smoothie wooden vegan bowl. From there, I added some coconut vegan yogurt just to kind of spruce it up a little bit. And I went through all of this literally for nothing because I actually forgot to take a picture. So I swirled it around a little bit to give it a nice little cosmic effect. Tasted it, duh. And then I added some chia seeds on top, which are completely unnecessary because they're actually in there. But, vegan presentation. So if I don't get the chance to eat breakfast in the morning, or if I'm not feeling, some mornings you're not feeling eating, I'll drink the Soylent. And Soylent is pretty much just a vegan meal replacement drink. I usually get the chocolate one because chocolate's really easy to mask the healthy grossness of a lot of vegan foods. But I saw the mint chocolate at Walmart, which I've never tried. So I'm gonna try it right now. And we'll see. I hate mint chocolate, so I'm not expecting this to go well in any way. But I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna shake it up because I always shake up my Soylent. Okay, I'm a little nervous. This isn't bad. It's the slightest bit of mint. It literally just tastes like this with it's like drinking this, the chocolate one, with gum in your mouth. But not bad. That sounds gross. But yeah, so Soylent. For lunch, I decided to make a chickpea salad sandwich. The first time that I saw this recipe was on a Twitter account called Plant-Based Vibes. I think the account is still active. They're definitely worth checking out. They give great advice and great recipes also. It's supposed to replace a tuna sandwich. So I seasoned it a little with paprika, just some salt and some pepper. Simple enough. For the spread, I decided to make an avocado mayo, and I use Hellman's vegan mayonnaise, and that's my favorite brand, honestly. It just tastes as close to the real thing as you can get. So I just blended avocado and the veganese together and then spread it on some wheat bread. From there, you just throw the chickpeas onto the bread and you're all set with your sandwich. I also forgot to mention that you should bind the chickpeas with a binder of your choice. Obviously, I chose mayo. So from there, I decided to add a lot of grapes because I realized that my fruit intake lately has been a little low. So I just threw those on the plate. For my drink, I decided to pour myself some of Naked's Mighty Mango Smoothie. Like I said in the beginning, just because it's vegan does not mean that it's healthy. Naked is infamous for their smoothies being full of sugar. So just make sure that if you're drinking it, you're being careful and you're having it in moderation, because otherwise it can be pretty detrimental to your health. Sometimes if I'm not really feeling like up to a meal, I'll have a snack. And these are my 3 favorites. This small little box here is Lenny and Larry's complete cookie. It's chocolate chip. In my opinion, it's the best flavor. A lot of people aren't really crazy about them, but I mean, like, they try really weird flavors. Like, I would never try like a birthday cake cookie or an oatmeal raisin cookie, you know? So it's like, those are regular cookies. Vegan food always tastes a little off to us who started off not eating vegan. So I just think it's weird that people don't try like the basics. But this box comes with 6, I believe, and this is the size of them. If you buy them individually, they're a bit bigger, but these are really filling, so sometimes they'll hold me over if I don't want to eat like lunch or something. These 2 are Cliff bars. Cliff is a company that just does like protein energy bars. They have some vegan options and they obviously have some that are not. And for that specific reason, they don't have like the little vegan symbol anywhere on the package, because technically they can't advertise it as vegan in case there is cross-contamination with the bars that are not vegan. If they have like nuts or, not nuts, milk. But so it won't have like the vegan symbol on it, but they do have vegan options and you can always Google it to find out which ones are vegan. Obviously, if you are like really like, some vegans will not eat anything that might have a cross-contamination. But I mean, I'm not doing it for ethical reasons. You know, I just do it because I eat foods that are not vegan and I pay for it later. So I feel like these are a good option for me because they are really filling. Like, I could eat one of these at like 1 o'clock and probably not even start to feel hungry until like 8. Like, these things are insane. So this is just chocolate brownie and blueberry crisp. Usually I'm not hungry at like dinner time. I really only need to eat about 2 meals a day. So tonight I'm just gonna have a can of pineapples and that'll hold me over until the morning when it's time to eat again. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, it's pretty simple what I eat in a day. And also the good thing about veganism is that you can be as creative as you want to come up with meal ideas. Thanks for tuning in. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I hope I see you soon. Bye.